Hey everyone, I'm Veetika. I'm the product designer for Pipeline Execution team, and today I wanted to present to the team a group that I created where I'm trying to maintain a collection of projects that focus on different scenarios that relate to CI. When I say CI, it means both the pipeline execution team as well as the pipeline authoring team. So I'm not trying to differentiate between what features is handled by which team, but it's a place where you would find projects that have capabilities that both the teams are responsible for. So why do I think that we need this is because this could be used for quickly verifying a use case that relates to an issue that if you're working on, or without having to create a whole new project every single time. Then this can also be used for testing features in production which require a particular set of settings enabled. So you would find different projects that have different settings enabled here in this list. So you could just go ahead and take a screenshot and use for your work. Then these can also be used for quickly creating a project for user research. So one can just take an existing project, recycle the content, like take out a few things, add a few things, and quickly put together a project that could be used for conducting user research. Now, let's look at an example to see how this works. So if you click on this, let's say if I go to this monoreport example. So I click on this and settings are already in place. I already have a project structure that results in a DAG pipeline. So let's say if I just want to know how the pipeline representation looks like in this case, I would go to the pipeline. I'll go to the pipeline overview page and just see how things are at this particular point of time. All right, going back. Now the deal is how to make a contribution to this because things have already been laid out. So, and this is a public project, so anybody could use it for whatever purpose. The only expectation is that nothing gets disturbed, like no setting is changed because each one of the project, it's for a particular purpose, so that should remain intact. That's the one requirement. Otherwise, to make a contribution, I have this, I've created this separate project altogether, which kind of could be used for the purpose of adding a new project to this group. And in the README, I am trying to keep a list of things that we still haven't covered in the set of projects that you looked at. So in case you have an idea and you want to add a project, so just go ahead and open an issue. And if you go and look here, if you try to create an issue, you'll see that there's this template which is already which has already been created here, and you could just use this template, create a proposal, and create the project and add it here. Yeah, and it's pretty simple. All right, so that was it. Thanks.